not as useful as renting. Doctors called porridge, which harms our teeth. With the introduction of quarantine in the country, people began to massively buy things and essential goods. Buckwheat became one of these. However, doctors are alarmed that this decision is erroneous, because not in all cases it is useful. As it turned out, buckwheat can not only saturate the body with useful trace elements and vitamins, but can also be hazardous to health. So, its abuse can cause a number of several dangerous diseases, and to some people buckwheat is, in principle, contraindicated. Let's understand in more detail. Women over 40 to 45 should be the most careful with it, because their body begins to absorb calcium much slower. But buckwheat dosodietovos slows down this process. In addition to this, it can also cause tooth decay. Extreme caution is also worth identifying to people who suffer from diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. The danger of buckwheat in this case is that it can cause stomach cramps and other unpleasant consequences for this organ. For those who suffer from kidney failure, hypertension, gastric ulcer or diabetes, doctors recommend eating buckwheat porridge no more than 1 to 2 times a month. But those who are clearly prone to allergies should, in principle, forget about such cereals. Doctors also drew attention to sports diets, which involve the use of buckwheat in large quantities. In their opinion, an excessive amount of this cereal on the way to losing weight can be fraught with headaches, apathy, loss of strength and lethargy. And yet, you should not completely abandon buckwheat, since this product is able to protect the body from the development of cancer. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.